transforming a saw blade. You see what I did right there? I'll tell you what, that video took longer to make than it did to clean this Forest Woodworker 2, which was filthy. So I went to Dollar General and I got the cheapest oven cleaner I could find. $1 in money. We're on a budget. You know, we just got to save money any way we can. And I believe it's sodium peroxide is that chemical that is supposedly pretty caustic. People maintain that using it can weaken the braze or the weld that holds the carbide tooth onto the blade, creating a 40-round machine gun on your table saw. I checked into it, and if I let it soak for 30 days maybe, but I will tell you that it will totally clean all the dirt off your hands if you're a maniac and you put your hands on that wet rag like I did. My hands are spotless right now, and I don't have any skin left. So wear gloves, and yeah, so in any case, spray it on, let it soak for about 5 minutes, flip it over, do the exact same thing, and wipe it down with gloves on. Look at that, I am a brilliant man now. But as you can see, that resin, I cut resin a while back that didn't really come off. The sodium peroxide didn't work, so we're going to use some mean green, which is like simple green, but it's just mean as, yeah. All right, so still require a bit of mechanical action. So I got a, whatever that is, like 50,000 to 1 scraper you get at Home Depot. And that old dish scrubber, which remind me not to use to wash my dishes. Scrub it down, get the teeth, you get, everything's pretty much off it. You're just doing it cosmetically now. It's become a mirror, and it hurts my eyes. I sprayed this oil on, which this stuff worked great. But I'll tell you what, it's a local company, and the guy was a total jerk. So tough luck, bud. I'm not talking about your stuff. Good product, bad company. So that's about it for the whole clean your table saw video. If you're interested in any other videos, feel free to check them out, and also hit the subscribe button because I like making these and I'd like you to watch them. All right, I'm leaving. Goodbye.